I am going to show you a couple. I mean, this is going to be a quick Google Draw lesson because we're going to do a whole lot more with it when we come back. Okay. The only way to get to Google Drawings is through Google Drive. It's not in your waffle menu here. You won't find it. Okay. So we're going to go to Google Drive, click New, click More, and click Google Drawings. Okay. I am going to show you how to do some very basic things so that you know kind of what to do to create your invitation. Okay. First of all, the question that's come up a lot: how do I change the background? Right? Because right now it has no background. Okay. Well, here's an easy way. Okay. If you just two-finger click on it and come up with this menu, there's a background, and look, change it to whatever color you want. Okay. If you want an image in your background, you're going to have to go Insert Image and go upload it or search the web for it or whatever. Okay, and put it there. Okay. The next thing you're going to have on an invitation is what? Huh? Words, right? Words. Okay, the simple way is to go Insert Text Box and draw it where you want it, right? Let's say at the top we're going to write, "You're invited," okay? And then obviously you can go and highlight it and make it what? Make it bigger. You can change the font. You can do all kinds of stuff, right? But there's another thing called word art. And the reason they call it word art is because it's the same thing. It's text, but you can do more things with it and make it a little fancier. So the same way, insert, you're going to click word art instead of text box and type in what you want it to say. "You're invited," okay? And it automatically just comes up like that. Now already it looks kind of cool, right? It doesn't look so plain, but there's so many things you can do, okay? Once it's selected like this, you can come up here, you can change its color. You can decide what color you want it to be, okay? You can also change the outline around the letters. Right now it's black. If you say, "No, I want it to be, I don't know, blue," well, that won't work. Red, okay? Or whatever. You're like, "Well, I don't really see it." Well, let's go change the border to a little bit thicker, like 8. Oh, wow, now I see it, right? So here's how thick you want that border to be, okay? So you can make it whatever you want. I know it's ugly, but I'm just messing with it, okay? There's other things you can do. If it is selected, you can change the font, okay? You can change bold, italic. There's all kinds of things. But the power comes over here under Format Options, okay? This is where you can do things like a drop shadow, okay? Watch this drop shadow as I go. Let's see, I want to change the distance to a little further. Do you see that shadow? Okay. You can do it further if you want like that. It depends on how far you want the drop shadow. You can change the angle of it. You can do all kinds of things with your drop shadow, okay? Then you can do a reflection if you want. That means, do you see the reflection underneath? Like it's looking into a lake or a pond. You see how it more and more? So there's all kinds of things you can do with word art, okay? So those, and then the last thing I'll show you about Google Draw, I'm just going to get rid of this stuff for now, is shapes. You can make so many things with simple shapes, okay? Let's say I want to do a circle. Let's say I want to make a snowman, okay? I'm going to make that one, okay? And then what I'll probably do is just Command-C, Command-V, and it'll make another one for me. I'll put it here and make it a little what? Oh, a little bit smaller. Very good, okay. And then depends on if I want 2 or 1. If I want another one, Command-C, Command-V. I'll bring that one up here and make it just a little bit what? Smaller, and I can do all kinds of things with shapes, okay? That's all I'm going to show you about Google Draw today. It should get you by with making an invitation. Okay, remember to put images, insert image. Okay, title it up here, and you'll be good. All right.